I chose the Williamsport Family Medicine Residency because it offered everything that I was looking for, an unopposed program in a rural location.
How about on the back? Can you take some big breaths in and out like this?
The quality of education here at Susquehanna Health is certainly something that I find to be a phenomenal experience. All of the attendings are exceptionally well trained.
What do you want your doctor to say to you?
They're all open, they take time out of their day, they're willing to sit down and really go through things in detail that you don't otherwise find in a lot of places where the volume's higher.
And then low-dose spironolactone.
Teaching sessions, we like to have them be case-based, so it helps a lot of people if you have a specific case, learning point that really makes things stick in your brain. Asking questions, trying to develop a differential diagnosis is a lot of the keys that we focus on here in terms of our education.
Susquehanna has done a lot recently to really improve the facility. They've done multi-million-dollar improvement projects in the hospital. The tower building is LEED certified and to really modernize facilities.
In our outpatient clinic, we have osteopathic manipulation rooms. There's also bariatric rooms, pediatric rooms, things that make it easily accessible for every population that we're trying to treat here.
So our residency program here is very tight-knit, very close community, almost a family without being cliche kind of environment.
We have a volleyball team that plays every Thursday. We get a group together that goes to Quizzo every Tuesday night over at the Bullfrog, and we really have a great time together.
It's fun to be planning a wedding during residency and see the excitement of especially the other female residents, these people we spend more time with than our family most of the time. So it really does mean a lot to have them involved in things like that.
Yeah.
Williamsport's fantastic because it's 3 hours to Philly, it's 3 hours to Baltimore, it's 3 hours to New York City. There's fantastic restaurants, there's a community arts center that does plays and national level acts. There's a ton of stuff to do with your free time outside of medicine. There's great gyms. I do CrossFit personally. There's a ton of classes at the YMCA. There's a fantastic relationship with Susquehanna Health and the YMCA for patients. As a resident at Susquehanna Health, we get a unique experience in that we can be the on-field physicians for the Little League World Series.
Our family medicine program is really involved with the community, primarily in sporting events. So the Little League World Series being the biggest one, which is very exciting.
We don't have a problem with it.
I was actually surprised at the variety of patients that I saw during my residency.
Wonderful.
My favorite thing would probably be the interaction between the mothers and the newborn babies. Basically a miracle, you know, each time it happens. We have great labor and delivery suites.
Good afternoon, Mr. Carrasco.
What I love about family medicine and what's made me decide to stay in the area and take a position in Wellsboro after I graduate is the sense of community here. Coming out from medical school, I thought that I was as ready as I could be to enter into residency, and it's been a humbling experience in some ways to learn all of those little details and the real art of medicine.